So here we go for part 7, and from part 7 we are starting inverse of Laplace. Okay, symbol will be L inverse. So as we know, L is the symbol for Laplace transformation, and if we are transforming our function ft from time domain to frequency domain, we use this symbol, right? Capital S F. Then L inverse will use for inverse Laplace, and then our answer will be getting in terms of ft, like time domain. See some related formulas. These are the formulas from Laplace transformation, and a few formulas I have taken from inverse Laplace, because inverse Laplace is nothing but just exactly opposite of this. So directly we'll visit the questions. First we'll quickly see this. E power at we know 1 by s minus a. T power n, they are Laplace transformation, they are not inverse, keep in mind. These are inverse, right? Okay, so sine at will be a by s square plus a square, cos at will be s by s square plus a square, sine ht, hyperbolic function. Here I am missing a, so here you put hat, cos hat. Okay, so sin hat a by s square minus a square, cos hat s square, s by s square minus a square, and this is unit impulse function, right? E power minus as by s. You can put this a as 0, then ut will be 1 by s, correct? And here sine will give you a by s square plus a square, but because of e power bt, subtract minus b. Now you see 1 by s, Laplace, inverse Laplace of 1 by s is 1, and 1 by s minus a is e power at, right? You see from here, if I'll put here inverse Laplace, your answer will be e power at. In same way, you see here s power n, 1 by s power n will give you, this is important actually, this is important, and t power n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial. In same way, Laplace inverse of 1 is st. Okay, so Laplace inverse of s square minus a square is 1 by a sine ht. Like these few things I have taken, because this is nothing but exactly this thing, right? If you send this a down, it will be 1 by a and sine ht, right? Okay, so directly we'll see some examples quickly. These are the symbol for Laplace inverse. 3 examples I have taken here. So Laplace inverse of s minus 1 whole square plus 4. Okay, so you see this s minus 1 and s minus 1 means first shifting property, right? It means e power 1t. I have written properly 1t. I could also write like e power t, but for much clear and simpler I am writing e power 1t. Okay, and this s by, this is which form? This is form of s by s square plus a square. This is the form, so this goes for cos 2t, right? Okay, because this 4 is nothing but 2 square. I hope it's clear. We are doing inverse Laplace. Now here you see, okay, so this 2 is here now, so remove 2 from here, so it will be 1 by 2 and 7 by 2, right? So now you see this is 1 by s minus a, right? So 1 by s minus a belong to e power at, and here also you can see 1 by s minus a. So this is nothing but this 1 by 2 is as it is here, and this part is telling you like it is e power 7 by 2t. Then Laplace inverse of 1 by s square minus 9. Okay, you see this is trying to be the format of the constant number by s square minus a square, but we don't have a constant number here, right? Here we have 9 is nothing but 3 square, but here we don't have 3. Okay, so you can divide and multiply by 3, and then this will convert into sine h3t. Why hyperbolic? Because we have minus sign here. Then I am taking one more example, and s minus 2 by 6s square plus 20. And so what to do? Let's see. First you split this function like this. After splitting the function, this one is going to be in form of cos, and this one is going to be in form of sine. Okay, so remove the 6 from here and remove the 6 from here, take common. After taking common, we are remaining with this and this, right? You see here this is a square, right? 20 by 6. So here we don't have a, so I am multiplying and dividing by the a. This is a square, that's why I am using root, under root, square root. So this I got this form, and this I got this form. So answer I'm not writing because I'm just trying to give the idea. You see, GATE 2007 question I have taken here. This question they asked in aerospace department. Function is given in frequency domain s plus 10, s plus 2, s plus 20, and first they asked for 2 marks. They just asked partial fraction of the given expression. So we know how to do partial fraction. I have taken here. You can write a by s plus 2 and b by s plus 20, and then s plus you do as it is. You can see step by step I have explained here, right? And I got one equation here. I got another equation by comparing this term with this and by comparing this term with this. Coefficients you compare. You got two equations. Solve them. You got a value and b value, 4 by 9 and 5 by 9. Substitute back here 4 by 9 and 5 by 9. So this entire function you can break like 4 by 9 s plus 2 and 5 by 9 s plus 20. Then again in the same year they extended this question, and they in 2 marks again, and they said find out inverse Laplace of the same function. I mean inverse Laplace of this function, they said. So we can easily do that because this is nothing but directly answer in terms of e power t, correct? I hope it's been clear. Then we go for 2009 question. Exactly same format. In 2007 they gave this kind of format: s plus 10, s plus 2, s plus 20. Same format: s plus 1, s plus 4, s minus 3. Okay, then again they asked in 2 marks, do Laplace, inverse Laplace. Very easy. First you do partial fraction. After getting partial fraction you got a and b values. After getting a value and b value as 5 by 7 and 4 by 7, you just substitute, break the function like this. After breaking the function like this, you do the inverse Laplace. I hope it's clear. It is seriously, it is very easy. Okay, go for the next video.